Hi, my name is Marie Rosenthal. I am a complaints officer for the respected factory. My duty includes making sure jobs that our respective factory is up to standards as well as following rules and regulations set for by HIPAA while being in compliance with the rules set forth by the Joint Commissioner. Every every American has moral rights to quality, accessible, affordable health care. The more moral obligations that all Americans deserve health care from a moral perspective will be reviewed as the START law, Code of Ethics in medical malpractice. The issues that surround the moral rights to health care are many. The basic questions that surround the issue is should all Americans have affordable, accessible, quality health care, or only those that can afford it? Because every being on the face of this earth will someday need quality, accessible, affordable health. It is morally right. That's everyone individual, regardless of the status, have to healthcare. Government, government intervention is necessary to ensure that all Americans have access to quality, affordable, accessible health care, while the hospitals, such as our respected organization, get, be available in giving care un, unbasis, unbiased, and equal to everyone regardless of position in life. The government's in hopes of controlling costs of healthcare and dishonest claims in building the from providers create the stock law. In 1989, Congress passed the Ethics and Patient Referral Act. This name was the stock law after a Democratic representative from California sponsored the bill. According to Becker's Hospital, 2018, it sought to ban physicians' self-referrals and for designated service when a patient was covered by Medicaid or other government payers. Self-referrals is when the physician benefit financially from the referrals or a close friend or member in the physician. This is an important element that in the moral right to health care. This ensures that fraud and overspending are put in check under the start under the START law. A private citizen or whistleblower can report violations and entitled to 30% for of 30% of repaid funds from the position violation. The code of ethics in healthcare are shared values that are practiced among healthcare providers that aim to create the highest possible standards of conduct and encourage the ethical behavior of all working in the field, according to NCHEC 2018. By basically, the code of ethics are rules that those in the healthcare field governance by themselves. This is important to the moral right to health care because all Americans need and deserve quality, affordable access to health care to ensure that all receive that fair shake. Certain rules and elements must be followed. The code of ethics is allowed that the value, vision, and the mission statement are being carried out. Abiding by the code of ethics can help reduce the lawsuits, which can increase the cost of healthcare. Medical malpractice lawsuits are usually produced from negligence of the physician or nurse, though some claims made are without substance. The very law that determines if a medical malpractice lawsuit is warranted are the same laws that protect against them. Defense medicine refers to practice of recommending a diagnosed test, medical treatments that is necessary the best opinion for the patient, but serves the functions to protect the physician against the patient. To France and Syndrome 2017. Defense medicine are a tactic employed by many physicians to combat medical malpractice lawsuits. Medical malpractice lawsuits are important in the moral right to health care because that is because this is close associated with quality of care. All Americans deserve affordable, accessible, quality health. Negligence on behalf of the healthcare providers is not giving properly qualifications of care. And the lawsuit themselves can increase healthcare prices and service.